You just the way. You just the way.
If I secure it, I will just. If I see, I will just secure it for you.
I dey patakata dey kill Soboma. My face with the swing like Django Lover.
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is going to be about unboxing. Yeah, unboxing things, unboxing items. So okay, quick one. So I got some items that I'm going to unbox here. See it here. So this is it, and this and this. Okay, we are going to start unboxing them one after the other. Yeah, so this one is wireless microphone. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, this is it, wireless microphone. And this is earpod. Oh god, it's too bright. Anyhow, but this is earpod, and this is ring light. Yeah. Oh, okay, yes. So we are going to be unboxing it. I want to unbox it with my followers. Yeah. To my subscribers, sorry. So in today, this is the tripod. This is the stand of this thing. So you all, my man got me this. You all should get a man. My sweet man got me this. Okay, this is it. Okay. Yes. Ta-da! Oraimo. This is Oraimo product, and it looks so beautiful and smooth. Yeah. I'll try it. I'll try it later, but not now. Okay. This is the part I have to remove. Oh God. I had earpod before, but I left it when I traveled. I forgot it inside the cap, so I couldn't locate the cap man again. So that was why I lost my earpod. Let me put this on. I don't know if you guys do this, but I put, anytime I get a new product, most especially gadgets, I put it on. Okay, moving on. Okay, I just unboxed the earpod. Oraimo earpod. Yeah, that's done. And this, the wireless microphone. So here, let me give you a short story here. Ooh, I've always wanted to get this. Like, there's a charger. Wow, I've always wanted to get it. So we spoke yesterday, and then he was just talking about my video and how about the editing and all those stuff, and he was just like, I should get this item. Then he got it for me. You guys should get yourself a man. Woo! Okay, this is for, don't worry, I will check the manual. Okay, this is for the iPhone. Which one? Okay, this is for the iPhone. Yeah. Now I can start doing interview content, and then I can bring in people to talk, and then a lot of things. Hello, let me try it if it's on. Okay, it's on. am I supposed to? Okay, I'm supposed to. Okay, I'm starting now. I don't know if it's working. I don't actually know, but I think I'll just. Is it on? Okay, it's on. But I don't know if it's working, but I guess I will just have to off this video, end this video, and then check it out. I've always wanted to get this, so I spoke about it, and then he got it for me. I guess I don't know how to do it or anything, but I don't know how to do it. Well, I'll read the manual and then do it. Maybe in my next, not maybe, in my next video, I'm going to use it. So moving on, I've tried it, it's not working. So I'm going to read the manual very well, then work it out, then watch some videos too. So moving on to the ring light. So I've been using, what is it? So I've been using this for most of my videos, and it wasn't looking nice. Was it? I don't know, but to me it was looking nice, but to him he said it wasn't looking nice at all, that I need to get a ring light for it. So he got it for me. Let me start with this. Should I start? Let me start with this. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. How am I going to do this? How? How? I don't know. I don't know how to do it, but I'll try and set it up. I'll try. I don't know anything about this. I used to see people using it, but I have mine now. So then we move on to this. Like seriously, I'm wearing the same color with this with the carton. You don't know how happy I am. You don't know. Okay, moving on to this. Get yourself a man. Yeah. Okay, this is the battery. Is it the battery charger? This is the charger. It's looking good. I like it. Is it? How many? I don't even know. I just know this ring light. Where's the on? Okay, this is the on button. Oh, sorry, it's not connected. So I'll try it out. I'll try it out now. Now. So I'll end this and start setting it up. Oh, I'll do a video setting it up. Don't worry, guys. I want to set up the ring light and then the speaker and try and check out if the speaker, I will be able to set up the speaker. I don't know. I think it's like this. Is it like this? Oh, hey. Oh, hey. God. Let me not spoil this thing before I start using it. Okay. Now this is it. But back then in the shop it was longer than this. Okay. Okay, people. Okay, I'm going to do like this. How am I going to set it? It's not balanced. It's not balanced enough. Oh, you cannot also control this. Wow. Wow. God. So funny. Okay. Done with that. Then this. Right. Let me not make it too high before it will fall. I don't trust this. I've done the tripod. The stand, sorry. Okay. I don't even know what to do. So this is the AirPod. I'll connect it to my phone, but before then I have to stop the video first. Then continue. I love this. I just love how smooth and how this place is. That's what I love about it, and how it's just there. Let me use it. So since there's no light, I'm going to use power bank to test this. I don't know if it's good, but I'm going to try and use power bank to test it. If not, if it's not good, I'll return it. Okay, so I can actually do it now, and then it's working. All thanks to my man. Okay, that is it. I think it's working here in the video. I don't know if it has any other sound. After I tried so much to do it.